They were never meant to be seen, built in silence, hidden by governments, and denied for years. But in 2025, something changed. Leaks, footage, whispers, revealed 5 weapons so advanced, they shatter the line between science fiction and battlefield reality. This is the unveiling. Imagine a drone so stealthy, so advanced, that even the most powerful reconnaissance satellites fail to detect it. The Phantom Ray X-98 is that Phantom, an ultra-secret autonomous combat drone developed under black-budget projects within the United States Air Force in collaboration with DARPA's most classified labs. Its surface is covered in next-generation metamaterials that don't just deflect radar, they absorb it, distort it, and reroute it in real time, creating a visual and electromagnetic blind spot. It doesn't just hide, it disappears. In early 2025, a leaked thermal clip from a NATO war game over Europe showed a ghost-like blur zigzagging at hypersonic speed, executing evasive maneuvers mid-air, scrambling hostile radar, and then vanishing, without a single heat signature. The Phantom Ray is fully autonomous, capable of launching precision-guided munitions, jamming entire communication networks, and relaying battlefield data to command centers across the world. No pilot, no signal delay, just an invisible weapon deciding its own path in the sky. Under the icy depths of strategic waters, a new threat swims undetected. Russia's Kraken 55 is not just another UUV, unmanned underwater vehicle, it's a synthetic predator. Designed to mimic the organic movement of marine life, it swims using artificial fins and synthetic skin made from sonar-absorbent polymer blends. It can fool active sonar arrays, infrared detectors, and underwater surveillance systems. It emits no cavitation bubbles, no acoustic hum, just silent propulsion through deep water. With a mission profile focused on sabotage and deep reconnaissance, the Kraken 55 is equipped with small robotic arms for attaching to enemy hulls, and internal EMP modules that can fry a ship's navigational systems in total silence. NATO only confirmed its presence after a 2025 war game in the Arctic went dark. Communications cut off, underwater drones disabled, and one submersible left dead in the water. Analysts now fear it can operate for 72 days or more without surfacing, making it the ghost of the deep, one capable of paralyzing fleets before they even detect the threat. China's Sky Serpent is rewriting the rules of armored warfare. It doesn't fire traditional shells. Instead, it harnesses electromagnetic force to accelerate solid tungsten slugs to Mach 7, creating projectiles that strike with such velocity, they melt through steel and concrete before impact. This isn't just a tank, it's a silent reaper. Its hull is reinforced with advanced composite armor that resists thermal imaging, while its hybrid AI electric drive allows near-silent movement across rugged terrain. Flanked by semi-autonomous drones that provide aerial scans and real-time threat analysis, the Sky Serpent operates more like a mobile base than a traditional tank. First seen in satellite leaks over Xinjiang in early 2025, its battlefield potential stunned analysts. It could obliterate enemy fortifications from miles away without triggering early warning systems. And because the railguns are magnetically fired, there's no combustion, no flash, just a sudden death strike delivered faster than sound. The Sky Serpent doesn't announce its presence, it erases you before you hear it coming. Warriors are being upgraded. Israel's Aegis Viper Exosuit is the next phase in human combat evolution. Developed in secrecy by the IDF's elite Talpiot Innovation Corps, the Viper turns infantry into hyper-efficient battlefield machines. Woven with graphene nanotube mesh and powered by microhydraulics and responsive AI, the suit enhances a soldier's strength tenfold, boosts speed by over 300%, and provides spinal and joint reinforcement that allows users to leap, sprint, and maneuver beyond human limits. Adaptive camouflage responds to surroundings in milliseconds, while embedded health sensors monitor vitals, injury status, and even adrenaline spikes. The suit comes with integrated weapon mounts on the arms and shoulders, controlled by neural interface for instant targeting. In March 2025, footage from an anti-terror drill revealed a soldier darting across terrain at impossible speed, absorbing gunfire with no pause. Whistleblowers later confirmed what insiders already feared: the Aegis Viper wasn't just in development, it was field-tested and ready. The age of augmented soldiers has officially begun. There's no warning, no flash, just silence, and then devastation. The Sentinel Orbit Cannon system is America's most classified kinetic orbital weapon, finally confirmed through declassified DARPA memos in March 2025. It's not science fiction. This system uses tungsten rods, each the size of a telephone pole, launched from a satellite platform and accelerated purely by Earth's gravity. No explosives are needed. Upon impact, these rods from God release kinetic energy equivalent to a tactical nuclear weapon but without radiation or fallout. During a test conducted over the Pacific Ocean, seismic sensors recorded a 4.2 magnitude shockwave. The target zone was obliterated. No sound, no missile trails, no aircraft, just an impact crater and a scorched silence. Defense experts suggest Sentinel is now fully operational and capable of targeting underground bunkers, missile silos and command centers from orbit with zero warning. With pinpoint accuracy and plausible deniability, this is the ultimate first strike weapon, one that doesn't break treaties because technically it's just gravity. These aren't myths. These are no longer whispered rumors. They are the shadow weapons of tomorrow, partially revealed only because someone leaked them. Or perhaps someone wanted them seen. From the skies to the sea, from orbit to the very skin of a soldier, warfare is evolving faster than ethics, diplomacy, or peacekeeping can keep up. The question isn't whether these technologies exist. The question is, what happens when they're used? So tell us, which of these experimental weapons terrifies you the most? Which one do you think might prevent war instead of starting one? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button if your mind is reeling from what you just learned.